Now we want to talk about something with some women they experience most times, and this now their men sexually, you know, ignoring them. All right, most times, they know they find them funny. Their man no just wants them sexually. So what happens when your man no wants you sexually? What do? A lot of women go reach out to me. Who's he doesn't want to have sex with me, blah blah blah, different things what they go talk now. Only when he wants sex, that's when when he go get sex with me. But when I want sex, he doesn't have sex with me. He only have sex with me when he wants to have sex. So man, if you did for that category, I beg you go need to dey stop, and no be only time where you want sex na you go give your woman. You understand? When she also wants to, let her have it, even though no be every other time, but at least make it no be like now only when you want her that you guys will have sex. If your wife also wants sex, let her. At least if she dey give you, make you say dey give am. It's supposed to be give and take. Make una dey try to create that balance. Now wetin dey happen to most of us when we try to have sex with our man, and then the man will come talk say, oh no, every time, today story, tomorrow story, today story, tomorrow story. Wetin e dey do to woman, e dey affect our self-esteem. We go begin dey reason ourselves like say something dey wrong with us. Okay, like there's something wrong with us. Be like say we no package reach, or we no reach, we no fine reach. Our body don't do this one, especially with woman wey already self don dey battle with some kind insecurities about her body. Maybe she not dey battle with a stretch mark. She never fit accept her body finish. Then you can't call dey make her dey feel like say I no want you. The thing at the end of the day go make her begin dey reason herself, and she no go want get anything. She go want dey pull back. So that's the reason why some women no go initiate sex anymore, because most times when they initiate the sex, the men turn them down. Somebody say this your hair is making you look under 16. That's what I tell my stylist too. Thanks so much anyways. That's what I tell her more. Thank you. Thanks so much. That's my natural hair though. That's what I tell her, say my natural hair they always make me be like one small baby. Let me cannot they like to carry am like that. I still go be like one baby. Oh, you like my dress? Thanks a bunch. You like my blouse? I did control am well make this button no go to push. So all of them wait there for Instagram and Facebook, they wait. I know say they one side they pray, make this button just open. As it all they open, sis, may it just open. Octavia, I see you. Okay, so let's go back to the matter. Make we even find out some of the reasons why your man no wants you sexually. Why is it that your man no want to have sex with you? Now, originally reasons they inside, and one of the reasons why your man no go want to have sex with you is because he gets some other things and way they affect on a relationship. If he be stress for in work, for in business, if he be stress for family or something, so nobody they immune to these things. Your husband also they immune to stress. Your relationship no they immune to stress. So one of the reasons why your man feel they ignore you sexually now because these other things you understand, they affect the relationship. Stress. Now, too many stressful external factors fit kill man's sex drive. When other things all these stressful things they affect the man, if he kill the man's sex drive, go the reason want to have sex with you because of the stress, house strength, this one, that one. If he kill him in sex drive. Now another reason why your man they ignore you sexually could also be say in they intimidated by you, or in they afraid of intimacy. Okay, your man feel they caught up, like in go on, maybe they always they try maybe wetin dey worry am now because he wan try to prove say he dey very good in bed. He dey try to prove a point. I'm very very good in bed. I get total control. You understand? So that one fit dey make am, he don dey there. He don dey how do I talk this thing for pidgin now? This thing of wanting to prove himself in bed don swallow am up well well. All right, and then or either he dey try to or he no dey good at all in bed. That's the reason why he dey avoid intimacy with you. Is that he no hold inside well? Because I get plenty of them like that wey go reach out to me. Hey, help me, oh. My wife, this. My wife, that. My wife, my marriage is about doing this one, doing that one, because I know they're good in bed. My wife is complaining, I'm not good in bed. Please save my marriage. So my woman is complaining, I'm not good in bed. Save me this. Save. So some of them look tell me say I dey run away from having sex with her. They know they proud of wetin they go give you. So they go they run, they carry their penis, they run, they comot. Or maybe say you dey too skillful. You are so good in bed that your man dey fear. Say him own no fit, wetin he sabi no fit match your own. So he go kukuma withdraw and no go want you sexually. If he dey intimidated by you, he go kukuma withdraw. You no go want show you anything at all. Whether he sabi do or not, he no go want show you anything. When he no dey sure of whether he go fit handle you well in the bed, he could also avoid you. If he's not sure, he go withdraw. The another reason why your man fit dey ignore you sexually could also be say the attraction wey dey for una relationship don dey fade. E don dey fade. Alright, the chemistry wey dey between you and you and your man, e no strong like before again. And this one, e dey very common for long-term relationship. Okay, it dey very common for long-term relationship. And no be something wey dey happen just one day. Na something wey be say e dey creep in on us slowly. You know, dey first see am. Na small the thing dey enter. E go dey enter. Then one day you go just realize say the attraction for your relationship no be like wetin e used to be before. That's why I dey always dey talk say, see, relationship na work. So if you make up your mind that you want to be in a relationship with someone, please be ready to put in work to make it work. You be ready to put in effort. You no go just think say, oh, you just talk am for mouth na there e end. No way. Oh, or say you don marry the person or una don start to dey date, una go just stop. No way. Una go dey put in effort to just try to make it work. No be just once. Okay, you don get this person wey don dey hustle since, don finally get the person, go come quiet. No. Before you know am, everything go nosedive. This na reason why a lot of marriages dey crash. So please, because this, especially for long-term relationship, e dey very common. So before you know am, wetin dey call am, chemistry wey dey between both of una go just begin dey fade. You know, dey start one day. You no go quick notice am. You go just dawn on you say, we no be like before again. No. Do you get? And this now, most times, that one big contributor to the reason why your man no go dey desire to want to have sex with you. You no go dey desire sexual intimacy with you. Then another reason why your man fit dey, run, carry him penis, dey run from you. Now because he get some secret fantasies when you don't know how to share with you. A lot of us get some very secret. We want to do some weird things. We don't know how we want to talk them. We dey too ashamed to talk about them, or we no even fit dare talk about them, because if we talk about them, we don't know wetin they don't know wetin they go meet for your side. Like a man wey gets fantasy for threesome. And the wife must not hear. 3 waiting. 2 of them never do finish. They talk threesome. Him wife must not hear. Man wey gets maybe orgy fantasy, he gets foot fetish fantasy, he gets kink, he get BDSM. Maybe BDSM na in fantasy, he won't try am out. Or he get fantasy to have sex with a very big woman or a plus size. And meanwhile, you na opelenge, you know big. So he gets orishi fantasies there for his head. In secret, all men get secret fantasies them. Who they know they share with their wives. I stand to be corrected. All men get secret fantasies them where they know they share with their wives. Most times they are ashamed to share them. They are ashamed of their fantasies them, and they no go dare talk them. So if you no care, if you no dare express them and experience them with you, if you make them they reluctant, to want you sexually. So please, women, I go advise that you be more open-minded. Some of us they too close-minded. Just try to be more open-minded. It they help you to get to know your man better. Why they open-minded like that? They help you to get to know your man better. You will get more informate. You will get to know your man better and get more informate on who him be. So him go dey more comfortable to also dey share certain things with you. You no go dey fear to share them. Another reason why if he be say in dey carry him penis dey run from you, money matter. If he also cause am, if he dey get some financial gbege for, if he dey experience financial gbege, if he also be the reason why he's ignoring you sexually. He gets so many things when you want to do with money. He never reason and finish. Most times, go one reason your vagina. Although some of them go reason your vagina to use them ease stress or tension sometimes, but sometimes they no go reason your vagina. When they get on top money matter, they sample them. They no go reason your vagina. Another reason could also be say boredom don't dey inside the bedroom. Every time same style. Every time same style. You no go gree carry your leg up, carry and wear. You no go gree spread your leg, spread and wear. You no go gree wriggle waist. You no go wriggle waist. You no go gree do some kind things them. They don't they beg you. Please now, just let me lick you. Let me lick you. Okay, please, when we dey do am, they help me dey raise this your leg up well for where? Help me dey wriggle waist small for where? Help me dey shift am like this for where? Or sometimes they say, ride me sometimes now. Make it no be like say na only me one dey do this work. And I lie. Okay, sometimes they go say, oh, blow my trumpet now. Lie. You no go gree blow trumpet. The man don't tire. Every day, same thing. Once you reach here, let's do. Just lie down, boy, flat. You go just lie down, put your back for ground. You finish you go dey look am. Even mourn, sound sexy. Tell us some kind things them. You go push come out. You no go move. You know they do anything. The man don't tire. Don't dey bored. He don't dey bored by the same thing where he dey serve am. Every day same egusi soup. You no go even do am say today we go give you lumpy egusi. Another day we go give you egusi ijebu. Another day we go put efiri inside. Another day we go put ugu leaf. Another day we go cook am with shrimps. Another day we go cook am with snail. Another day we go cook am with periwinkle. Another day we go cook am with uziza leaf. Another day we go cook am with ugu leaf. Another day we go cook am with green. No, your own. One way traffic, the man don't tire. You go kukuma leave you park one side. So this thing, a lot of men they face am for their marriage. They don't talk. Their tongue they drag for ground. The woman no go gree shift small. You go just dey where in day. Boredom most time, especially for long-term relationship. Boredom they creep into long-term relationship more often than not. So if both of una no dey work to keep that spark alive, boredom go continue to dey mount. E go turn into wall of ice wey go keep una apart. One of the reasons why your husband fit dey ignore you na because he don dey bored. He don tire am. And then one of the reasons too why he fit dey ignore you sexually, okay, na because you too nag. Some of us we no dey try. We go nag. Some of the attitude wey we dey put up dey make the man no go even want to have sex with you. You know say sex no be something wey dey start for the bedroom there. E don start for brain. So when the man no dey reason you for head, he no go reason to want to have sex with you. When you don give am plenty trouble, you don nag the hell out of him life, I no know where he wan take be remember to want to have sex with you. Pay attention to how you dey behave around your man. How do you treat him? How do you behave around him? Because he dey follow. Then again, one of the reasons to if you make your man dey ignore you sexually could be because intellectually una no dey the same space. When e concern this sense matter, una no dey the same space. You know say we get different types of intimacy. One of them na intellectual intimacy. And a lot of people dey underrate this matter. They run on top of sexual intimacy. Intellectual intimacy dey very, very key. If you and your partner don't grow apart intellectually, forget am. E go affect every other aspect of una relationship. To follow you talk na problem. Your man no fit get meaningful conversation with you. A lot of even single ladies I see most times. Sometimes I go ask myself, when you no fit get intellectual conversation with me woman, me wey be woman, then wetin you and guys wey dey your life dey talk? How the guys dem dey cope? If you cannot have intellectual conversation with your fellow woman, some of we women need to really step up reading. See, relationship dey beyond make we dey talk about breast, make we dey talk about penis, make we dey talk about vagina. E goes beyond that. And then for some of una wey don marry, marriage dey beyond. Woman, please, let me tell you, marriage dey beyond Mama Nkechi bring money for school fees, money for pepper, money for house rent, money for this one. It's beyond that. And then when you talk say, wetin you get to offer, that's shebi I go born pikin for am. Marriage dey beyond say you born pikin for man. Anybody fit born pikin for man. Make you sha know that one. Don't we have baby mamas? Anybody fit born pikin for man. So e dey beyond that one. You born pikin for what else do you have to offer him? What else? Marriage dey beyond say you born pikin for am. Wetin again you fit do for am? What else? Most of you single ladies and married women no get anything to offer than sex. Una no get anything else to offer. If you comot sex for una if I ask you now, or if you sit down ask yourself now, if they comot sex now for your relationship, what else do you have to offer to this man? The man in your life, what else do you have to offer? You cannot, can this man come to you for advice? This man, can you, if you give him, when he dey stuck, can he run to you? Are you that woman where your man feel run to? When he dey stuck, when he look up, look right, look left, you cannot be everything to him. Yes. The same way we no go be everything to you. But you need to sabi play major role for your man in life. Many of them no get past sex to offer on a man. You need to sabi to work on yourself, improve on yourselves. Some of our ladies them, the only thing wey dem sabi carry for their head na wig, attachment, low cut, this one. Comot that hair for their head. Nothing again dey their brain. Empty. Some men go carry una go on a date like this, they go tire. Una no get anything to talk. You can't even hold a meaningful conversation. Except say that man no dey intelligent. An intelligent man no fit stand a dumb woman. Yes, the thing wey go just use you do, go just sleep with you and just e don finish. By the time when I enter long-term relationship, forget it. You go see say sometimes I go to, when I visit some homes, I go just smile and say a prayer in my mind. Say, oh Lord, please help these people. Husband go dey inside the bedroom. Your wife fit dey somewhere else. Husband fit dey that way. Oh, not that he's reading, no. Not that he's working, no. He's not doing anything, no. No be say they watching. If he dey inside the bedroom, oh, when you go ask the wife, say, how far? That's saying they dey on your own. Now saying they dey on your own, just like that. You and them, they really fit talk meaningful conversation. Is it that you people cannot hold meaningful conversation? A man, we know they get. If you look and say, on intellectual intimacy, don't they? You know, it dey hard for them to follow you talk something where they make sense. You know, go they interested in having sex with you. All right, you know go excite them to want to have sex with you. When on a click, especially if you meet a psychosexual, okay, psychosexual person as somebody where they attracted to intelligence. Make we just even like that. Where they attracted to intelligent people. Okay, so if you meet a guy wey be psychosexual, for instance, and you no get anything to offer am, you so dey dumb, as in your head empty. Then bring this topic, you know, sabi. Then bring this one, you don't get. You don't need to see. You don't need to know everything. No man is an island, but just know small thing. You get small thing about, if not everything, but some things. It's okay sometimes you talk, open up, say, me, I don't know this one. But no be say from beginning, from A to Z, you don't know nothing. You dey so dumb and empty. Forget, you see that sex, that man can get it elsewhere. In fact, if he get am from another person, we go sample and pass you. You see that your bobby way they use the front up and that way be you like say nah gold you carry for chest. Another person own stand like mango tree for outside. In breast stand for in chest like mango tree like this. No shaking. Now your bum wey be you like say, oh, now Wetin they make your head they do tie. Another bum they roll up and down. Where them mold like this, some of them don't even go, surgeon don't help them remold and where. So come on bum, come on breasts, whether big, flat, small, big, come on time. Oh, my vagina tight. Another one tight pass your own. Another one, now screwdriver they use unlock am. They use screw unscrew the vagina. Yo, my vagina sweet. The man no they go anywhere. Forget am. Some people, their own vagina, nothing sweet past their own. It's sweet. It is sweet. Even now, Honeyland. So forget it. He can get it elsewhere. Make you get more than just sex to offer him. Get more than just a beautiful face, a beautiful body, a beautiful breast, a beautiful bum, a sweet vagina to offer your man. Get more than just that to offer him. That's now one thing we go keep on running back to you. Are you a shoulder he can lean on? Some of na no be shoulder we na men feel lean on. You are not a shoulder he can lean on. When the going gets tough, Can your husband or your man turn to you? I mean, at that time you go, oh, they so unruly. Now that time you go, they so rude to them. Now that time you go begin they misbehave. When that man gets back on his feet, forgets it. You see, he gets one woman where they pamper him that time when he no gets, and that one he go face you. Better make we dey tell ourselves the truth. Alright? Have just more than breast and bum and sex. Uza can cook. E get the people where their own olowo shibi times 100. Olowo shibi raised to power 100. Gone are those days where they go tell you say a way to a man's heart is good food. Who tell you? Food waiting. They feature food for every other place, my dear. Food yakpa they order food now. Somebody go order automatic kitchen and go supply them food. Gone are those days, man. It takes more than say you be good cook, you get fine body, you get fine face to fit do wetin, keep that man or make am they interested in you in a long-term relationship. Except when I just dey play around, friends with benefits, short-term relationship. That one go just do giz. A lot of men don't disconnect from their women. Women no get anything to offer them. When they concentrate, they spend more money on hair. I know they against them. If you know me well, you know say I like fashion. Oh Jesus, God help me. I like good things of life. Ja. But work on yourself. Get more than just a fine face and a fine body. Olowo shibi to offer a man. Yeah? Because some of now when I get one-on-one conversation with some women, sometimes I go just do walai. I go just do like, what? Is this all? Now all about you be this. Now the only thing where you get to offer man be this. You people they expect a lot from the men, yet you have very little to offer them. Very little. This ain't by sex. Go find those ones where they use 45 kayamata. Kayamata where they don't fortify like this. Maybe say the man enter there, they don't lock him. This ain't a sex. If you like be sex goddess, you no keep that guy. You get the one where goddess pass you for outside. If she roll her waist for and go 360, she go wriggle am 360, wriggle and come 180 degree, wriggle and come 90, 60, 30. Meanwhile, you just wriggle, come on 30 degree, now 10 you go stop. They say, and you check gadget. That's you. Change your way, oh. Yeah? Another reason why, if you know they're sexually attracted to you, is maybe because he's having an affair. Yeah. If you get one baby one side where they sample them. But anyways, once you don't discover all of these things, it means say I definitely need to talk. Alright? You guys need to talk about waiting they happen for inside a relationship. You need to talk about sex with your husband, with your man. Find a way, communicating how you feel about the current situation for a sex life. Now, crucial first step to resolving waiting day on ground. Okay? All right. Even if you do like saying they reluctant, they won't talk about them. No worry. With time, it will. If you tell them how him know they want you sexually, this in lack of wanting you, not wanting you sexually, how it they make you feel, you should be able to communicate that to him. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so another thing too, where you go also do, okay, try to get a better understanding about the reasons why him know they crave your body sexually, why they interested about, having sex with you. Okay? Whatever it is where they keep him from wanting to be sexual, no go away until una figure am out. So try to figure out why he keeps rejecting you sexually, because if he hurts your self-esteem, if you can't begin the chase am for sex continually, of course you can seduce him, but if you see say they work, in fact, if you do the seduction thing, before you even do the seduction thing, please talk to him first. Because if you do the seduction thing, do and you try, you see say they work, it fit affect you more. If it affects your complex more. And then no also make the mistake of believing say it's about technique. Alright? No also believe say it's about technique. Yes, technique and skills go arouse man. But if in sexual desire and loyalty, now in sexual desire and loyalty now you there about. So there's a need for him to actually connect with you first. So where that knot loose, now we won't find. Okay? We won't find out where the knot loose. Make we connect them back. Alright? So address the matter with the ground. Get through to him emotionally first, so that you go fit get through to him sexually. Address the matter with the on ground. That way you go fit get through to him sexually. Because waiting they control in desires, na in heart. If you go succeed to conquer your man heart, you go conquer in heart and in body. So if you think about the best sex where you don't ever get with your man for a moment, no wahala. No matter waiting if he be say you look like outside, okay, your best bet na still try to conquer, his heart, so you go feel conquer in body. The best sex where you go ever or where you don't ever get with your man, now when you feel most connected to him and his heart. Check out the best sex you've ever had with your man. Now that time where you feel so connected with him emotionally, and then when you felt so connected with him to his heart, you go feel, now that time you feel like, oh, now the best sex you don't ever get. That now waiting they make intimacy for inside relationship, they special. When you feel close and safe. A lot of nano they feel close and safe with una men because the environment they toxic. Very toxic environment. Alright. I just hope say with this few points of mine, I don't be able to convince you and not to confuse you that when your man they ignore you sexually, these are some of the reasons and these are some of the things and what you feed do, and everything will still feed day. All right. I would love to hear from you. 0809559. Hey, luckily my button never open. No, all my people where they find make my button open on top Instagram and Facebook. Okay, 08095975808. Now your WhatsApp number. Our ring number na 0700951951951 Uzo, God bless you for that talk. Nobody, no be by body. Me, I like intelligent spouse. I get irritated with a dull partner. Bosun, all the way from Ikotu. Thanks a bunch. That's when we senator inside here. Uzo, that is what I'm facing with my wife. I will beg and beg. Only one position. I don't tire. But nothing I can do. Just have to move on. I understand that is a way of life. Only see from Oshodi. Thanks a bunch. Until the right on. Okay. Thank you. I always enjoy your program. Well done. Keep up the good work. Thanks a bunch. Okay. How do I join you live on Facebook? Uzo Wazobia FM. UZO Wazobia FM. UZO Wazobia FM. Hello, good morning to you. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello?
Good morning.
Yeah, Udoka.
Welcome, Udoka.
This thing where you the tell women, yeah, you just go, we just talk like God. Them, you talk like a God to them because many of them don't even know how they look like. Them just fit themselves to mad. Some people say no even look like person where human being go give money. But still, they see them. Then go to talk, yeah, rah, 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 rah. You understand? You don't even look attractive, but you fit yourself to man. And don't even get pride. You just finish everything to them. You be like a God to them, honestly, this night. Thank you.
It's well. Hello, good morning to you. Hey, yeah. Morning, no. Hey. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, good morning, ma.
Morning now.
I'm fine.
Okay.
My name is Jackson, calling from Ogun State.
All right, welcome.
Thank you, ma. This topic you bring out today is just like you are talking to me directly.
Okay. How?
So I really appreciate because you taught us a lot, and most of things that happen in my family is one kind of those issues too. And for me, when I hear this now, I will know how to amend things. And even when I am moving on to based on some things, if I give her instruction to do one thing or the other, due to their own understanding, they will follow me. But I have to bend myself to follow her so that to make the family to be moving well.
Okay.
And I pray the Lord Almighty will see us through. I really appreciate it.
Amen. Oh, see us through. Oh. Amen.
Thank
Thanks
you,
so
ma'am.
much.
All right.
Okay. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, now.
I'm fine.
Let me turn down the volume with you, Abio. I did hear you.
Nah, Auntie, I really bother you. Hey,
Thanks a bunch.
they do justice to many things. In fact, so many that I have met. This is one problem. Can you imagine where you will be the one to ginger up your wife? You will be the one to start the romance. You will be the one to do everything. It's painful at times. If you don't have the fear of God, you will want to go outside in a marriage. Because when you find your partner like that, and until there is one thing, you always say discuss your sex life with your partner. You know there are some that doesn't have that time to discuss. Like now, I am at work. I believe when as in two partners will know what each other wants and ginger themselves up, not maybe by the time you sit down and discuss sex life. Like me, I don't have that time to start discussing sex life. I've tried all my possible best, though I know at times I think because my wife is a virgin, because I met her a virgin when I married her. So maybe that is one problem that she's having.
No, somebody be virgin. No me say no go grow.
No, it's not that. It's just that she's one-sided. You know, that kind of a thing. She's only one-sided, and sometimes it pains me when I see how they do it. I feel that there are some areas I need to enjoy, which I am not.
Let her know now. You will be guru. You go teach am.
Anyway,
you need to sabi tell your partner exactly what you want in bed.
Yeah. Okay, it's all right.
Yes, please.
Thank you so much for the justice you did to it.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you too. Okay, I wish many ladies will understand these things you're saying, because we understand these things you're saying. Please keep up the good work. Thanks a bunch. Until Uzo, you have said it all. God bless you. More wisdom. Wisdom from Ikotu. Okay, thanks a bunch. Until Uzo, Ododoba, may your days be long on earth. Thank you very much for always opening our mindset. I think a lot of our ladies need to hear this. Much love from me. Lady Richie all the way from Mushin. Thanks a bunch. That's always Senator inside here. Okay, from California. You said it all. Women should learn. Women should learn and entertain their men. Okay. Until I wish my wife listens to you. This is the exact a situation in my marriage right now. And now I've even lost interest in her body. She doesn't listen to radio. It's a shame. I've tried my best, but it's not working. I will see what I can do from your advices when I'm ready to continue sex with her. Ify from Yaba. I can imagine. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, Susan.
Yeah, morning. No.
Susan, how far?
Adeo, where you arrange me put?
Now what?
Now
You follow our hand, sir.
Ow. You dey wait to make the button open. Your plan, no, I see. I dey here dey pray. Say, oh God, this button.
Susan, you follow our hand.
This button.
After telling us how the button take open, it can't reach when the button is supposed to open. You know, can't let the button. Let me shake your body, sir.
It should be as I did like. Oh, man, no move too much. Make this button no go too wide.
At least for stand up, let me show your fine outfit now.
My fine outfit.
Okay. At least.
I go see whether I go fit stand up. You don't go fit say I finish in a 3/4 I wear, but the 3/4 transparent you.
We go stand like that.
If you no see the transparency, you.
Okay.
I go try.
So show us here. And Susan, see, yesterday me and person they talk. One of the students here. So now she can say that she go need to dey away so that she go hear the yeast infection for women. Now waiting with the expect be that. I don't know say you go come great cause like this. You say we don't get anything for head. Now only wig. That place off me.
Now wig.
You know thanks me we keep here to hear yeast infection for women. Nah. I swear I don't expect this topic so.
Now so.
I don't expect them at all. You know say if you bring topic for men like Tuesday. It will be the same topic again for women.
You
on
cannot
Wednesday.
predict me.
And so, wetin we do? Upon time they say off mic. You know what off mic? Wetin we do you? So now the wig we get now until so.
So women now the wig they get for head. Hotness.
Especially when I get big bum bum. We know they see road again now. Now they use my big bum bum they intimidate us. I beg you finish work today, Jerry. God bless you.
Bless you too. Okay, good morning, Auntie Uzo. Before, I'm that kind of person, but since I joined your show, no time to wait again. I'm too much in bed now. Different styles. Juniala, all the way from Surulere. Oh, wow. That's good. Good news. Testimony time. Okay. Sister, God bless you. You have said it all. Nothing remain again, I beg. Women should learn. This is my first time on your program, and I learned a lot from you today. I need a date and lover. Adakole, all the way from Adakole, all the way from Oroshoki. Thanks a bunch. Uzamaka, well done. Thanks a bunch. Okay, we need to